Hey everybody, it's Dad and who? Quincy. Quincy's all bummed today. Quincy was scared. But today we're going to put together set number 76108, the Sanctum Sanctorum Showdown. So we're gonna open this one up if I can find some scissors. You get to build it.
Yeah.
Technically, you're not old enough to build it.
Wait, what do you mean?
Okay, what do we have?
What do you mean I'm not old enough?
It's, well, okay, you're 8. So, we've got
I want to build this guy.
pretty big instruction book, decals, and we've got
I'm building it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7, and 8 pieces. Time to build. Oh, wait, you know what? Let's see how big the instruction manual is. Quincy's not going to wait, though. The instruction manual is 218 pages. Pretty big. Let's build.
This is what it looks like put together. So, if you look right here, there's Spiderman, and this little thing is you can turn this, and then his little web can pull him up, and he can do it with this. And then you can do this, and then you can go down with that. And some things that Spiderman made one of these like little things that shoot out of his little webs, and I'll show you what it does on this guy. So you push down on these and then they fall out.
Push to the side.
Yeah.
Like this and shoot. Uh-oh.
You gotta find that out. Inside this, you can see this little thing. Oh, dang. And you can turn it, and that wall pops out, and then you can see where he hid the Infinity Stone. What does this do? Oh, that just pops it out.
That's what pops the wall out.
And,
Then show him this side.
oh, and if you...
Move your head.
If you push this will pop out. I don't know how to put that back in. And is that all that it does?
Yeah. But it has a couple other things it can do. If you see this red knob right here, if you pull it right here, there is a trap door that will open up, drops down. And there's the knob right here to open up the Sanctum Sanctorum, or the vault right here on the wall, and boom, and then right in there is the Infinity Stone. So if you turn the web right here, that window pops out like that. Remember, it comes with 5 minifigures. It comes with Iron Man, with Dr. Strange, with Iron Spiderman,
with Spiderman?
Cull Obsidian, and Ebony Maw.
Cull Obsidian, that sounds like we're name.
And with Iron Man, you can put on his little jets on the bottom if you want him to fly around, but he doesn't stand up too well that way.
It looks like he's on stilts.
Yep. And you can close it up like this, but it basically has the Sanctum Sanctorum on this side, and it looks like Spider-Man's apartment on this side with the
Wait, is that
pizza kitchen. It's got a bed. It's got the pizza shop down on the bottom.
Wait, what's in the garbage can?
A bone. And there's a little
see.
bone in the garbage can. It's got a very cool fire escape. I really liked how they made that. Overall, this was a really fun set to build. Has lots of good minifigures, and it has a lot of playability. So we liked it. It is on the more pricier side for sets, but still good. Even if you had like kind of the creator buildings, you could actually get this to work in a set if you wanted. It's got a good front just for the Sanctum Sanctorum, but again, really liked it. It works as a corner piece too if you filled this in.
Like the treasure chest. Oh, there's a sword on it.
Yep, sword in the treasure chest and on the wall. So anyways, we'll see you later, guys.